Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to cover TCS NQT 2024 interview result update. TCS reason, college state role wise interview result update, selection and rejection mail, Ninja Digital Prime Role 2024 बैच कैंडिडेट्स. सो वीडियो को आप लोग इन तक जरूर देखना क्योंकि इस वीडियो में कंप्लीट बात करने वाले हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर द अपडेट, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट द अपडेट. So this kind of things I'm going to cover in one single video. So I request everyone please watch the video till the end. And if you haven't got any interview result yet, I request everyone please do watch. Please do wait until next Monday onwards. You all will get an update from your TCS HR team regarding your selection or rejection. And if you got a selection, then you will receive an offer letter. And if you're waiting for the interview result, then definitely you either will receive a selection document submission mail, or either or else you will receive a rejection mail from the TCS HR team, or else you will get a regret status on your TCS next day portal. Okay, so see, this is a rejection mail. TCS NU 2024 interview not cleared. This is for all the candidates, for those who have not cleared their interview in the performance like TR plus MR plus N plus HR. Okay, see, and this for the selection mail. Important update that TCS NQT interview update. We are glad to inform you that based on performance the interview process we are shortlisted for the opportunity with TCS us, opportunity with us, and here there is a no role is mentioned. So by default, if you have given your interview Ninja, then definitely you're going to receive a Ninja. And if you're given your Prime and Digital, then you have to wait for your offer letter after submitting the documents. Okay, and by default this is a this is for Ninja role by default. If you're talking about the by default, then it's a for Ninja role. But if you given your but if you have given your interview for Digital and Prime, then you have to wait for your offer letter after submitting the documents. Okay, and this for submission document, this is the form you have to upload it, a document, a 10 12 graduation post graduation mark sheet, all semester, or till the latest semester available. Please mention that number of current active backlog you have. Please share your offer letter and last 3 months receipt if you have experience. Okay. Next, if you're still getting the badged option, it means your interview result is still not declared. And yes, if you have submitted your document, then you have to wait Monday onwards. You will get your offer letter generated only. Offer letter generated status only if you are meeting the TCS eligibility criteria, because TCS HR team will first verify your documents, and if you're meeting the TCS eligibility criteria, then only they will generate your offer letter. Otherwise, they will not generate your offer letter. Please mind it. Okay, this is a very important line. See, anyone got a response from the TCS today Kolkata? 3% got offer letter, 6% got rejection mail, 37% no response. Okay. Next, TCS Uttarakhand, 3% rejection mail, 3% got offer letter, 12% got document verification mail, 4% pending interview, and 14% there is no update. Odisha TCS 77% offer letter generated, 17% rejection mail, and 76% waiting for the result. TCS Delhi region interview yet to be scheduled, 43% scheduled and 57% not scheduled. मतलब कि अभी भी इंटरव्यू जो है शेड्यूल नहीं हुआ है कैंडिडेट्स के. ठीक है, और आप लोग प्लीज कमेंट करना हाउ मेनी ऑफ स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू मेल. Okay, please comment it down. Did anyone who have given a TCS interview 5th July have received a result? 2% received a result and 98% still waiting for the updates. TCS selection, 2% TCS TR plus MR selected, TR plus MR not selected, 50% TR plus MR selected, 5% TR plus HR not selected, not received any update. So it's mean if you have given your HR or HR not, then you have to wait for either your selection or rejection. It totally depend on your HR performance. Okay, HR decision. TCS Prime interview, TR plus MR selected for Prime, TR plus MR selected for Prime, TR plus MR selected for Digital. Okay, TR plus MR plus HR Digital selected for Digital only 2%, and 3% selected for Ninja, and for 3 round it selected for Ninja, and 3% got rejected. Okay, 19% in Hyderabad got offer letter which I have interviewed got downgrade offer. So 19 June Hyderabad candidates 4% got downgrade offer, means they have given the Prime role, either he or she received a Digital or Prime. Okay, they have received a downgraded offer. Didn't receive any of document verification, received document verification but not offer letter. So most probably Monday onwards you can expect your offer letter. Andhra Pradesh TCS interviews that 7% got received and 47% not received. Okay, TCS interview Delhi region 6% got rejection mail, 20% got verification mail, and 2% got offer letter. And Monday onwards you pending candidates can expect other updates. Telangana student 11% got rejection mail, 9% got verification mail, 80% waiting for the result. TCS Kolkata region 0% got Prime, 20% got Digital, and 0% got Ninja. Okay, received offer letter today 2% and 20% no. Okay, TCS received update from TCS 48% Andhra Pradesh and 52% Telangana. Okay, anyone here is from under Pune region who give interview in Mumbai and received document verification mail or after or offer letter, 4% received detail verification mail only, 4% received document verification plus received detail plus document verification, 23% nothing, 4% received offer letter. Okay, and NQT result of it is NQT interview update. 3% Madhya Pradesh, 3% Kolkata, 1% Delhi, AP, Karnataka, MH, UP. Okay, and prime role of filter from Kolkata, 5% got and 45% not got, and no 55% no downgraded and no rejection mail. Okay, AKTU UP Lucknow result, 1% got offer letter on portal, 6% document verification, and 30% with no update. 28th June, Kolkata, 30% got offered and 87% still waiting. Document verification and roles for t-shirt mail received in Maharashtra, 13% yes, 50% no, and 30% not from the Maharashtra. Candidate interview, 20% prime, 31% digital, and 10% uh, this was your rejection mail. Okay, if you not clear your interview. Okay, and just wishing for the updates. Okay, so if you want to know your result, please comment it down, and please other candidates please reply to the particular comment if you got any update on the particular date. Please comment करना कितने लोगों का रिजल्ट आया है नहीं आया है, आप लोग सभी कमेंट करना, जिनका आ गया है प्लीज कमेंट कर रिप्लाई कर देना, और कमेंट आप लोग भर भर के करना ताकि लोगों के पास इन्फॉर्मेशन ये जा पाए, ताकि आप लोग आपस में डिस्कस कर सको। टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी आप लोग ज्वाइन हो जाना, और कुछ भी डाउट से कमेंट पूछे ना, मिलते जय हिंद जय भारत।